Hi, I'm Bob here on behalf of RadarBusters, and I have the second product here that we're showing that's going to be released shortly called the Cobra Dual Pro 360. Now that's a little bit of a mouthful, I know, but what that really means is you're getting a great product for your money. This is a detector for some who really know the Escort and Beltronics products. Was a rebranded Beltronics GT360 in the Cobra brand. And that's a good thing because the GT360 is like an Escort 360 and it's one of the top of the line detectors. This is a real win for Cobra fans because you're really getting a high-end piece. This is yet another detector in their Elite series to differentiate these two detectors, the Road Scout and the DP360, from the other Cobra line. So the nice thing about this product is it's priced at $449. So when you think about other single antennas that are close to that price point, this is a steal of a product. And when you think about Escort's products, which are similar in capability, that are even more expensive, think of the 360C, which has the Wi-Fi connectivity for getting software and things like that wirelessly. Frankly, I don't use that capability. I just like the underlying performance of the detector, and if you don't really need that, this would be a great alternative, and it's $200 less expensive. So think of the other detectors out there. Valentine 1, look at that. Now that's a dual antenna, but it doesn't have GPS or all the advanced features that the DP360 has. So I think this is going to be a killer detector at an incredible price point. And you know, it's funny, I'm sitting in front of this car here, and I said this in the other video that I did on the Road Scout, but this is a Chrysler Crossfire. And this was a special car that was produced in collaboration with Daimler when Chrysler merged with, for a period of time, with Mercedes, or Daimler. And I can't help but see the parallels between Mercedes and Chrysler, and you got this wonderful car. And if you're a car guy like me, you know that the Crossfire is basically a Mercedes SLK in a Chrysler name. So they wanted to show what was capable in collaboration, and putting it in the context of a radar detector. That's how I think you should be thinking of this detector. Crossfire is a great car. I love driving it. And it's not as maybe pretentious as a Mercedes. Not that this detector or any of the detectors from Escort are pretentious, but anyway, for those who appreciate the Crossfire, you're basically getting the high-end performance of a Mercedes, but with the Chrysler name. So, and I can't help but think it's basically a similar thing here with the Cobra product. So, for those who have dissed Cobra over the years as a product or a brand that wasn't as capable as other products, you better put that stuff away now, because with the merging of Cobra and Escort, you're now getting high-end pieces that are coming out from this company. So I think it's time to put the notions that Cobra is not a high-performance brand, and keeping in mind that the Cobra is not your father's Cobra. Isn't that the expression, something like that? This is not your father's Cobra. This is for the new generation. So anyway, we've actually been driving with one of these units for probably about 6 months, and you'll see some of the videos we've had out there against the red flex, some difficult camera systems to detect, and this detector did well. I couldn't announce what the product was, but this is what you were seeing. So for those who are familiar with my MRCD tests or my red flex tests, the detector that I couldn't announce was this product. So we already have some history and video online, which you're welcome to look at to see how this guy performs. Okay, this is the DP360's box and how it's packaged. You can see it's similar to the other Cobra Elite series, namely the Road Scout. So it's going to be a consistent appearance now, the Cobra, which is definitely an upscale piece. Okay. So there you have your manual. Same kind of case, which is really nice. Definitely an upscale package. I love these cases. It's got the wonderful Cobra logo. You can open this bad boy up. And here you go. It's got a port for your data connection and the RJ11 jack here. There's a little port for an audio adapter if you want to connect into it. And let's take it, open it up here. You have the radar section here, the laser section, rear antenna, and then I'm sorry, this is what you would call the front-facing antenna. This is the rear antenna. Directional information. So there you go. Let's open up the accessories that come with it, right? Again, you'll see the consistency of the Escort quick release magnetic mount out here in the Cobra products. Fabulous. They're all compatible now, which is really fabulous. You don't have to worry about different mounts for different detectors. The same mount. So if you're like me and you have multiple detectors in different cars, you can move a detector around and keep your mount up, and you can move detector to detector from car to car very easily. And then here you go, what we expect. Now it's interesting, it's in the same tradition of Escort. You don't have the data cable here, and yet you get it on the Road Scout, so I'd like to see them change that. But anyway, there's your Cobra Smart Cord. So for those who are familiar with the GT360 or the Max 360C or Max 360, this is basically what you get here. But as I said, at a $200 less price point, so $449, this thing's a killer steal. We've actually been driving with one of these units for probably about 6 months, and you'll see some of the videos we've had out there against the like red flex, some difficult camera systems to detect, and this detector did well. I couldn't announce what the product was, but this is what you were seeing. So for those who are familiar with my MRCD tests or my red flex tests, the detector that I couldn't announce was this product. So we already have some history and video online, which you're welcome to look at to see how this guy performs. So anyway, one thing I wanted to say about the DP360 and its availability is that RadarBusters has been selected by Cobra to be one of the very few sources where you can get this product. So it's available now. This is not a device that's on a pre-order. It's available now for those who want to get it, and RadarBusters is privileged to be able to sell this. So if you're interested in getting this product, please visit RadarBusters.com. And thanks for watching. We hope you found the video enjoyable. And be sure to subscribe if you're not, because we're going to have more videos coming up behind here showing you how this thing works. And for sure, give us a thumbs up. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you the next time around.